Hey everyone, so we are here in Florida, in Orlando. We have come to Disney World. I'm here for 2 weeks. We are staying in a few different hotels, and one of the rooms that we are staying in is at the Art of Animation Resort, which is a Disney resort on property here. And we're staying in the Lion King Family Suite, which fits up to 6 people plus 1 infant. So I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour to show you around the room because I know a lot of people like to stay at this hotel. It does give you a little bit more space, which is nice. We have 5 people with us, so I wanted to let you check it out and see what you think of it. So one thing if you guys could do is hit that like button below and hit the subscribe button. It helps out my channel and helps out you YouTube creators to do that for no charge to you. And then I'm gonna show you the look around this room and see what do you guys think. Have you guys stayed at Art of Animation before? Have you stayed in the Lion King suites? Which section did you stay in? Little Mermaid, Lion King, Cars, or Finding Nemo? Or which one would you want to stay in if you do come here? Give me a comment and let me know. Thanks. Okay, so when you first come in the room, you get to this dining area, which is 4 chairs. These actually will be nightstands because this table does turn down into a Murphy bed with a regular mattress. So they do give you these 2 nightstands, outlets including USB for everything that you want to charge, and the chairs do stack so that you can keep them somewhere on the side. So to give you an overall idea on the room, you have a master bedroom with a queen size bed. You have this Murphy bed, which is a full size. And then you also have a pull-out sofa, which is a full size. So let's start with the first bathroom. All these rooms do have 2 bathrooms. Hair dryer, extra towels, garbages. Hey everyone. Here we do have soap bars. And then this amazing shower. Doesn't it make you feel like you're in the Lion King movie? So great. So what they do during COVID times, they started doing this, is that they are showing you that this is clean. They put a plastic over it once it has been sanitized. You have here shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Once again, extra towels. And the cute Lion King curtain. Timon and Pumbaa, love them. Okay, and then when you are outside of the bathroom, on the left-hand side, we can start with the kitchenette. So we do have here the microwave. Maybe we'll pop some popcorn. Coffee maker. Coffee maker includes all your little creamers, cups. You have teas, English breakfast, green tea, regular coffee. These are single serve, so you make them in this Cuisinart. You can make 2 coffees at a time. And then over here is the decaf. Besides that, you have a little sink area. Under here, paper towels. And all rooms in Disney World do come with at least a mini fridge. Unless you're staying in the villas, then you have a full-size fridge. Back here we have trash and recycling. I'm gonna give you a shot also of the beds once they are opened up. More storage, more storage. Everybody needs storage. When you're trying to fit 6 people in, good to have. This is a dresser with drawers. Of course, everybody's favorite Disney World channel. And then to come over into the master bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. And they did change all the floors so that there's no more carpeting, because back before there were carpets in all these rooms. So that was a nice upgrade. Charging ports everywhere. TV in the master, of course. Extra drawer space. A luggage rack. A ironing board. A safe as well. Hopefully my laptop will fit in there. I think it will, probably vertically. Extra pillow and blanket. Nice window in the master. And then side table here also. And now the last bathroom, second bathroom, is, again, you have a makeup mirror. Hi again. Regular mirror, light, soap, another second hair dryer, so plenty of hair dryers here for everyone. And then this one is a stand-up shower, whereas the other one has a tub. So if you have young kids, the tub is good for baths. And then in the master, you have the stand-up shower for the adults. And then the nice part is they make all these beds at Disney tall enough so that you can put your luggage underneath it, so that once you empty it, if you put it into the drawers, you're gonna make your life a lot easier. Okay, so now I am going to show you how the beds look once they are undone. So I'm checking out all the details in this room, which are pretty cool, and I wanted to show you some of the small little extras that we have here that are, I don't know, it's like the Disney touches that you don't get other places. It's just so good. So here's one example. You have these lights, which are obviously like Disney looking lights, Lion King looking lights in the master bedroom. And then you have 2 plugs, on-off switch, and even USBs in the light. Make your life easy. Here's another one of those little details here on the dining table. They have the bugs that Simba eats in the movie with Timon and Pumbaa. And then even the chairs are little leaves. Just so cute, don't you think? Here we go, our view from our window. This is the Lion King section, so this one does not have a swimming pool, but they do have 3 pools at this hotel. So those 3 swimming pools that they have here are in the Little Mermaid section, also in the Cars section, which they have the little cozy cones you can get for the day. And then the main pool is the big blue pool, which is in the Finding Nemo section. They have a kiddie splash area. This is really a great hotel for families who want a little extra space, extra bathroom, little extra privacy. They also have standard rooms, which are Little Mermaid rooms, which either will have 2 queen beds like a standard hotel, or they'll have a king bed. When you are in the Little Mermaid standard rooms, they don't have like these 2 bathrooms or anything like that. It really is just a regular hotel room. Your family suite sections are gonna be Lion King, which is this one, Finding Nemo, and then Cars family suites. And all those family suites are gonna have the identical layout as this: queen bed in the master, full-size Murphy bed, and then a full-size pull-out sofa. And then you can also get, if you have an infant, you can get a crib or a pack and play for that room as well.
Hold on. Oh, yes. We don't want that coming in. Yeah, because it will mess up the color. Is the color better now?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, the cushions. You do the cushions.
Okay, pull it out. Keep going, keep going, keep going. It's funner.
Go, go. Okay.
Just keep going.
Do you help? Just go. Lift, flat, and then hold the handle. Oh, I'm so heavy.
Come here, jump on it, jump on it.